Here we go. This is a simple chart. It shows the whole lifespan of Bitcoin from 2011 up to 2022 to this current day. Now, let's keep it simple. I see all kinds of patterns in these charts, especially this one. I'm gonna show you a few. Alright, right here we have a reverse Adam and Eve. Computer's lagging. Alright, so now we got support right here a little, but I believe we'll break through it and touch our legendary trend line, which is at 33.6k. If we break out of this bracket right here at 31k, or if we hit 30k, our next support will be right here near 23.7 or 22.5k. Then the middle of the Gaussian channel is right here currently in our macro support, like our long-term support where we're guaranteed a bounce from. Now, right here, I was saying that this could be an Adam and Eve pattern. It's true, because, let me see. I'll delete this one. Let me see. Alright. My computer's lagging. But alright, this is an Adam and Eve in reverse. You normally find these at the tops. It's like a upside down U, or half of a circle, a semicircle, and a V. Alright. Cool. Alright. I see that forming right now. It's also a letter M. It's a massive letter M. And if I was to anticipate what would happen next, I believe within this reverse Adam and Eve, it's a head and shoulders pattern. We got our shoulder, our left shoulder, our head, right shoulder. And it looks like we're about to lose support at our current level of 36k, because 37k is becoming resistant. But here's the future outlook of this pattern. I believe we come within the Gaussian channel, we test it, we consolidate for a bit, we test our legendary trend line again, because it used to be support, but now it's resistance. But we bounce within this bracket. Alright, my computer is really lagging. Alright. Change how we test 20k. Or bounce within this legendary trend line right here and find support within, what is this, between 16k and 25k. So that's our targets for this year, or for the next couple years. 16k through 25k, and it may happen sooner than later. The sooner it happens, the faster we can bounce up and test new all-time highs. But I'm gonna go to a smaller time frame. That was the 3-week chart. You gotta zoom in to really see what's going on. And this is an 18-hour chart, so the green could go back down. It looks like it's going down a little. They like to fake us out a bit with this ADX and DI indicator, because the red likes to curl up a little more and form another wave up. So it'll be ideal to get shorts in this range. Because on the smaller time frames, the green is on top. The green is more dominant. But I believe that's prime for a trap. I could be wrong and we spike up to 40K, because that looks like a next key level to break, 38 and 40K. But the red was dominant over here. We had a crossover with the green, and now it looks like the red is going to cross back over. So be careful, don't fall for the trap. If you want to get a good entry, try to get a good entry between 36,900 and 37,400. But yeah, if I was to say what would happen today, well, our MPT is high right here. Now it's low. I think we didn't form a higher high, so I think we'll keep falling based on the MPT. I want to zoom in more on this. Alright, it's going to keep pumping a bit, it looks like, because this red will repel against the green and make it bounce up a little more. So it seems like 38K is possible, but we will see. This could all be a trap and our Gaussian channel become resistant, and I'm thinking that's more like it. And our Gaussian, the bottom of the Gaussian channel sits at 37,788. So there's a strong chance that we just consolidate in this range. Then we have a big move. We have a big move maybe later in the day, almost tomorrow. Yeah, the red is still in control. Now let's jump to Shiba, see how that's looking. Shiba's showing us what Bitcoin's gonna do. When I flip between them both, you can see the similarities. It does look like Shiba's ready to pump too, so it may be good to long these for a little bit longer. But I'ma still hold my shorts open, and if prices do hit these levels where the Gaussian channel is, I will add more. But Bitcoin's moving a little, so let's wait patiently, because I think all of these moves we have now are fake outs. Yeah, because I'm not sure what the stock market is right now, but it should be Bitcoin should be following the stock market. And with as much fear as it is in the market, with wars, supply chains, inflation, and everything, it's best to just remain bearish for now. Yeah, I really believe we're gonna drop again, because trying to find similar times or fractals when the market did the same exact thing, and we haven't had a drop like this in a while. Yeah, we're forming large V's, it seems. it's clearly a letter M. Like, you go on Twitter, you see McDonald's everywhere, and it's true. Or, yeah, I don't think the Gaussian channel's finished yet. I believe it's gonna get larger again, like in width and space. But there's a large gap right here towards the end of this one. This one's still tight. It's still tight. Whenever things are tight, things tend to move in the same trend. This is tight, very tight, so down. It opened up a little bit, we bounced up. Resistance. Tried holding that support. It got tighter. It dumped. Now it's getting tighter. I think we're gonna get a flash crash